Fruit and the keto diet. Some people wonder if they can eat fruit on a keto diet or not. Yes, fruit is allowed in moderation on the keto diet plan. Fruit has lots of health benefits. It contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that fight disease in your body. However, some fruits are quite high in carbs, so need to be eaten sparingly when you're on a keto diet plan. What are the best fruits to eat on a keto diet? Avocado pears are low in carbohydrate content. They contain an abundance of healthy fats. They can be eaten as they are in savoury dishes. Think avocado and prawn salad. But avocados are very versatile, so can be used in many recipes. Next are tomatoes. They are full of vitamins too, so don't disregard them when thinking about fruit in the keto diet. Having said that, avoid sun-dried tomatoes. So what about olives? Like avocado, these are a fruit and full of healthy fats. They can be eaten as a snack to keep hunger pangs at bay. They complement our other alternative fruits, avocado and tomato beautifully. This makes a delicious, healthy, fruity meal in itself. Plus, olives go with almost any savoury dish. Next, let's look at the fruits that we find in the fruit bowl. Which ones are the most keto-friendly? Berries such as raspberries, strawberries, blueberries and blackberries are the fruits lowest in carbs. These fruits are great to use as snacks for that hit of sweetness if you miss biscuits and candy. They are delicious and full of vitamins, minerals and other beneficial compounds, all of which keep you healthy as well as slim. The berries with the lowest carbs are raspberries and blackberries, followed by strawberries and then blueberries. As with sun-dried tomatoes, it's best to avoid dried fruits such as raisins, dates and prunes. When you're on a keto diet, it's hard to overcome that craving for that sugar hit. Fruit is much better than sugar or sugar substitutes. Another fruit that might not immediately spring to mind is coconut. The flesh, sometimes called coconut meat, is full of healthy fats. Pomegranate is a sweet fruit and tastes delicious when eaten alone or added to salads. Pomegranates are quite high in carbs, but are not the quickest fruit to eat. Because it takes time to eat them, it's harder to overeat them. Hopefully, you can now see that you can eat some fruit on a keto diet. With that being said, a couple of final points are these. Try to eat fruit raw rather than cooking it. Cooking breaks down the fibre. Finally, do not be tempted to have fruit smoothies on a keto diet. Like cooking, blitzing the fruit in a fruit processor breaks down the fibre. That wraps things up for today. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.